Morning everyone, it's October. It's been 2.5 months since I bought the E36 Touring. Bit of a recap for you if you haven't seen the previous episodes. I went to London and bought an E36 Touring with a dodgy clutch. I've always wanted one. That was in July. I then showed it to my mate to see if he'd join me restoring it. So now you find me in my other E36, the Coupe. And I've got this, the new headliner material. So last week we took out the headliner. Oh, it's coming, easy.
Hold on, stop.
Headliners are a common problem in these old 3 Series E36 BMWs. They come undone, and sure enough, when I bought the Touring, it was in a pretty bad way. And today, we'll hopefully be able to attach the headliner and maybe even reinstall it. We'll see how we get on. Lots to do.
Oh my god. Look at this! What is this?
Shall we have a little look at it and see what it looks like? Do you remember the sample I showed you?
Yep.
This is theoretically the sample. I brought scalpels for us, ready for the trimming. Oh, I can see it.
This is a really bad idea, opening it with things like this.
Unsheath the beast. There it is. That, I think, is going to look rather fetching. Right, let's go. We'll set up outside as it's a nice day. Good products, hopefully we'll be in good shape. So we've got surface cleaner, we've got sticker remover, adhesive remover, and we got degreaser. So maybe let's start.
It's pretty much done, but what are we worried about? These edges?
These bits, that's what we want to get rid of. Basically silicone or grease or dirt is our enemy. Sticker remover. Let's see if that works. Oh, this seems quite good. Adhesive remover. I need to work on my knowing everything.
I love this. I love this kind of revelatory stuff that you're.
No, but thanks to you, it's development, isn't it? It's personal development. This is the stuff, isn't it? Well, I'm just going to try a bit of Brillo pad, but I really don't know the outcome. Oh, no, this right now I know. Now I officially know. This is good. Get one of these with a bit of the stuff. Does the trick.
Take off. Home point update.
Jesus, wet. But we will need to concentrate on it because it is a bit of a fiddly little thing. We removed all the residue. What do you reckon?
Yeah, I mean it's bloody good.
So my theory is this time to bend it over and glue it along the edge, which will mean it'll be a bit trickier to fit.
Let's put it in the sun.
Yeah, okay. All right. Right, so we're going to start from the back. We fold it over like that. We spray this bit. We fold it over and glue.
Yeah.
And then we work the other way.
So I think you just
we'll do
a section like that.
We'll do half. But you need something here just to make sure it doesn't stick to itself.
Definitely got enough. Yeah, there's loads.
All right, so we just go for it.
Yep.
You're going that way. We're going. You start. Okay.
Oh my god, staying with my glass.
Okay. Now we do vertical on the other bit. Let's get a bit more. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's roller it. All right, so this is a problem here, isn't it?
What stage do you start to cut it?
So I've undone it and I'm going to pull it as best as I can. There's always going to be a bit of a crease. Not much we can do about that.
I just need to cut it. You're right, let's get this off.
All right, so we can fold back over ourselves. Let's see where it's stuck to.
Which way?
Let's go like that.
Well, let's try and pull it taut. No, tight the wrong way.
No, we just finger it along. You start from the inside.
Yeah, start inside.
And work your way around. So you've got a little crease here, but I can live with that.
I know, but that is the same problem.
I'm not really bothered about that. I mean, I tell you, the thing is, it makes such a difference. You don't even notice the little creases. It's like compared to what we had, old Flappymcflapface. So this in small bits, I suggest. By far the trickiest. Let's go up to here. Okay. It's all good. Okay, so
it was quite effective, and I was kind of pulling forward.
yeah.
Oh my god, it's going everywhere.
It's like Christmas. Oh my god, this one's running out.
Quick. No, there's loads. Do your side, I've just done those.
Right, here we go.
You need to get loads on there. Ah!
Yeah, I mean, you know.
Stop spraying all over the other bit. You just
Because this is the bit, funny enough, you see the most. So it's definitely worth going a bit cautiously. So that's, oh, come on, that's,
pretty good.
I mean, it's not perfect, but
No, it's okay. And actually, when you put all the bits on, it's going to help.
So what we can do is cut away some of this surplus.
Do you just then glue it underneath?
Yes, I'm going to attempt to glue it underneath this time, just a bit, because that's where it starts to go, you know?
Well, won't it help it if there's a bit more underneath?
Yeah, I think it will.
Toitness.
Yeah, I think it will. But I would give it something like that much. I mean, how much would that have been from a professional? You know?
Money for old roast.
I mean, they'd be better at it, of course, but well, not necessarily, I suppose.
This section is ready here, this side. This corner.
So, but this isn't trimmed to size, is it?
You're just not listening. This side here, this corner.
Okay, so we flip it over, yes? When we flip it over, we need to make sure there is no glue on the trestle, because that is an easy way to get more glue on the side we've just done. Should be incredibly annoying. On a scale of 1 to 10,
I'm actually pretty patient with you.
How irritating!
Be fired or killed by now.
How irritating am I?
No, you're not that irritating, but you're just.
All right, let's flip it. Flippy. Oh, you've already flipped. Oh, look at this. I think this is going to be most awesome.
Yes.
Okay, we're trying a new glue.
Do the end.
Everbuild Instant. Let's read the instructions. Okay, let it evaporate a touch. All right, we're going for it. So toit. Toit
Yep.
and over.
Toit.
We need this gone, so I'm going to make the hole this
Okay.
side so we kind of know where it is. Shall we remove any traces? So what I do is I get the sharp knife and just pick it. It's a bit like chewing gum, you kind of get it. So what you do is you just tickle it with the sharp bit.
It's like skin.
It puts the lotion.
I didn't get it done for what it's told.
Put the lotion in the bag.
Peeling it over and gluing. Peeling it over and gluing. Oh. Little steps. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah?
Okay, I think we're in good shape.
Right, let's just get the bits organised.
Yeah, and then
Yeah. Excuse the noises. We've got some construction going on. We've obviously got various things we have to
navigate.
hang on. You go up the front.
Gently does it. Gently.
I shall. Does it not need to go on top of those side pillar things? Over the top of them?
Yeah, it will eventually, but I think it's all right for now. But do you want to go up?
Yes.
No, you've got to go a bit further. That's okay.
Oh, and then round.
That's okay. That's okay.
Yeah, I got you.
That's okay.
That goes through there.
The right kind of fill.
Oh, don't bend
No,
it.
stop.
It's
Get back.
creasing.
Well, you're pushing it up. That's pretty good.
Yeah, okay, hang on.
So there are no obstacles now.
We need a lot of wires to go through here. So there were some wires. What did we have? So we had...
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
I think we need to kind of get the middle in
Yeah?
so that we support the middle and then we can do all that bit.
Yeah, but we
Then-
do need to get these wires through before we do that because we might not be able to get our hand round.
We need to put these passenger grip arms in.
Okay.
Did we label these properly?
No, not really. These are the front handles. And I'm going to give you the right screwdriver. Oh, yeah. So this rubber thing, it needs to sit on there. So you tuck it in there.
No, I'm just going to line it up again. This is the problem. Until we set something, it's
Yeah.
constantly moving. Breathing into my... Okay. Don't go behind me like that. Just hold the...
Yes, I'm holding it up like this. Getting unnaturally close to me. Do you want to do that? Oh, didn't quite go, eh? Oh, bonjour.
That's it.
Oh, yeah. That looks like it's in. Okay, look, with a torch you can really see. Okay, I can see my holes now.
Wider than you think.
Oh, yes, yes.
So we've been trying to put it into the smaller hole.
Yeah.
I think I've got it.
And the actress to the bishop. Got handles in. Now are all cables out? Anyway, we have got it secured in one bit. I'm just getting in the car. You feel the suspension drop a little. Oh, the light works. Bonjour. Okay, thanks. Okay. Speakers next. Oh, in. One speaker in. That was difficult. Oh, we got two little trim things, haven't we? Oh, yeah. That feels better to me. Very, very fiddly. Right, back is done. I tell you what, I don't want to do this anytime soon. How about you? I think we might leave the tan interior for a little while. Need help.
You see, this has only got clips. So, alright, a bit close. It goes back it off.
But let's get the sun visor bits in, and that will hold everything. Come on, rubber. Get to the chopper. One person on their own, this would be quite a challenge. What is it, a 17? 16? 16.
Thank you.
Heavy breathing.
That's it, that's it.
All right, all right.
That's it, oh.
All right, son. God, That's, yeah, all right. The worst bit, I'd say, are the pimples.
Yeah, but I don't know what those are.
They might go. This is as good a place as any to stop. And we'll pick it up next time, finishing touches, but we've done a lot. I'm going to get another bit of cake.
Of course you are.
It looks good.
It does look really good. It's worth doing, but it's all the fiddly little bits.
What would we do differently next time?
Probably not spray glue all over my grass. That would be one thought. But I mean, you're right. If we change the interior to tan, you've got to change that as well. So we'll have to do it again. They laughed.
We'll be better at it then. Still got a few things to do inside. These could be redone. And to sort out the A-pillar things that have lost their clips. But yeah, it's much better.
How do you do the roof?
Oh,
So
that
the
panel.
interior panel.
Oh, that panel comes out. Yes,
yeah,
you can.
we
do
need
it.
to do that. Absolutely.
All right.
All right, bonjour.
Bonjour. Au revoir.
We're really unsynced today.
Radio check.
I have room here, but it is tight as a gnat's.
We're going to finish the bloody door card,
Jesus.
which went
Ah.
terribly wrong last
Yeah.
time. In there.
Put loads in there. Just put loads in there. And then.
Oh, he soaked it through. I never said that.
God, it does look better, doesn't it?